Hi everyone, it's Angela French from Really Good Stuff. Happy Monday. We've made it another week. I know you're excited for that. I know I'm excited. And I'm really excited about things I'm hearing going on across the country. We're having some openings. Let's hope it all goes safely. The faster we can get back to normal, I know I'll be happy. I need a haircut and I need my nails done. Does anybody else feel me out there? Anyway, this week we're going to talk about some phonics and reading. So before we get to the products, I want to tell you about our shipping offer that we have going on right now. So I put the code up here for you. We have $5 flat rate shipping on any order, or if you spend $39, we have free shipping. So these are the codes. But you can also find the codes under the promotions and deals tab on our website. And let me tell you while you're there, go to the outlet. There are 80% off items there. Things you are gonna need now possibly, and definitely for next year. How many of you are getting ready for next year already? And how are you supposed to plan it? I guess we just go on as normal, right? I don't know. If your school is already talking about what to do for next year, we would love for you to share that with us. We've heard different stuff from all over the country. All right, so we will definitely have some giveaways and some prizes. So we're going to give something away right now by you answering this question. How do you explain what a phoneme is to your students? Right? What is a phoneme? Tell me how you put it in kid terms to explain it to your kids. It's a different type of, working with words in the phonics. So while we're talking about phonics, I want to give a shout out to my friend, Deanna Jump. If you don't follow her, make sure you go to Mrs. Jump's class. She told me about the science of reading. And let me tell you, it is very fascinating to read about. It has everything to do with phonics and to getting back to basics. So let's jump into some products right now. So let's start with this one. This is the Sound Box Kit. So like I've always told you, we have your guide to go with it. Tells you exactly how to use the product, what to do, and also we'd love to give you a reproducible so you can do that tracking. We know that teachers are more and more often asked about proving the students, their level or what they're working on. So this is fun. So let me tell you what's in this kit. So you get a tabbed section here with a bunch of photo cards. Not sure exactly how many. Let me see if it says on the guide. Let's see here. 147 cards. That's awesome. So here's the different phoneme cards. So we've got the 2 phoneme, we've got the 3 phoneme, and the, 4 phoneme. Let's count. You get 4 of each, so this is perfect for a small group. Now I know small groups sometimes go up to 6 kids, but if you are on that basic phonics part, 4 is a much better number. So here's the cards, and we saw that they are blue, green, and purple. So we simply, let's take out the 3s, Let's try a few. So you'll see there's a nice picture on the front, and this one is net, and it has 3 phonemes, n-et. So on the back, you can see it gives you the answer. We always like these to be self-checking if possible. So what you do with these is the student would take this card. I'm going to get it back in here. Let me find my 3 phoneme cards here. Okay, here we go. They would select this card. They'd put the net on here. And then they would take the chips. It does come with the plastic chips as well. And they put these in the box and slide them down or slide them up. N-et. Again, all of our items are dry erase. So they can even write the letters. N-et. Net. N-et. Net. You get what I'm saying. So this is a great kit. Also, these are all picture cards. These are not, there's regular picture cards, there's illustrations. It's a good mixture in here. Now, if you want all photo cards, I would suggest this set. Now, this set is called the Small Group Phoneme Photo Cards. These are large. These are great to do for practice with your class. Again, it does come with the activity guide. Let me get it out here for you. Tells you all about it, how to use it, has reproducible, and even on the back, we love to give you guys these extra worksheets or work mats. So this would be fun to put on those Astro Bright papers I know everybody loves and laminate them, and you can use those for your groups. So let's go through some here. So these are real pictures. So this is flag. So here's my next question to win a prize. Let me find a card here that might be tougher. Let's use this one. Okay, now if you can tell me how many phonemes this has, you will be entered to win a prize tonight. Okay, so here we go. Brain. How many phonemes? Can you tell me what the phonemes are? Let's go over it together. Brain has b, r, a, n. Brain. So it really has 4 phonemes. So that's where you get, you know, the kids might get a little tripped up. They also might get tripped up at double consonants, like add. So one side has the picture, the other side has the answer. So your first phoneme is A, your second one is the double D. Another one that the kids usually have a hard time with is egg. It's that double G. So long vowels, double G's, blends, those are the hard ones. So these are 2 great kits if you want to take it back to old school and work on phonics to help those students who are sometimes, like I like to say, fence riders, like they could go either way, they're teeter-tottering, and for those kids that are at that lower or basic level where they need that extra help. And all the photo help is supportive as well. There's a link above, a bit.ly link, that'll take you to our phonics pages, our CVC words, our families, word families, tons of great products that you can use now and you can definitely use when you go back to school. Okay, so let me set these aside here and we're going to play another game. I'm looking down here and my cat is in the box full of products. Cat hair included for free. No, I'm joking. So I have 2 questions on here. I want you to answer them separately, because the more times you answer, the more you have a chance to win. So here's for 2 more prizes. When are you done for the year? When is your school year finished? I know some people in Colorado, I know at the high school level, they finished last week. Are you guys still going till June 15th? We want to know how long you're going to school. And you might even put in there that if you're kind of sick of it, the virtual teaching, if you're kind of loving the virtual teaching, like, we want to know what you're feeling. And then our next question is, what are you doing for the children at the end, you know, to celebrate the end of the year? Now, on Wednesday, Nicole will be back Wednesday at 7 p.m. and she's going to talk all about virtual graduation and different ideas of things that you can do with your students. We have free resources on our website that you can use, tons of free things. Also, I want to tell you, come back every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we will keep showing you products, having these little discussions, giving out tips, and of course, giving you some prizes. We want to give you guys some supplies and things that you can use for next school year. Okay, so make sure you join Nicole on Wednesday, and then I'll be back again on Friday. Now on Friday, I think we're going to play a math game together, and I'm going to have my daughter Elizabeth join me so that we can play a game, and we'll see who wins. Mother versus daughter.
You know I'm going to win.
She's also videoing right now. Anyway, make sure you comment often. Again, tell me how you explain what a phoneme is to your children or your students. Tell me when your school year's done, and tell me how you plan on celebrating the end of the school year. And as always, you can message us if you need anything, if there's anything you want us to talk about. So until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.